Fa'a'a airport on our way to Mataiva. Or Mataiva, the guy. Anyway, and we're on our way to Mataiva. This has got a cool little reticulated lagoon, which we're going to check out. Hopefully get a couple of days of sunshine. We're super excited.
Mataiva is roughly 200 miles from the island of Tahiti, and the flight took about an hour. The island has a population of approximately 280 people, most of whom live in the main village. Our flight arrived in the late afternoon, so after landing, we dropped off our things at our guest house and hopped on bicycles to explore a bit. Just going for a ride now. Checking out the island real quick, maybe get some hermit crabs for Nicola's fishing excursion tomorrow maybe. So yeah, that's it. Nice little road, palm trees. I love palm trees.
The next morning we woke up to sunny skies, perfect for exploring the lagoon.
Good morning from Mataiva. We went out on a boat, their boat broke down. Don't know where exactly we're headed. I thought we'd be heading the other direction, so I have no idea where we're going, but hopefully somewhere nice.
That's all we have for now.
This is a reticulated lagoon here. Now a normal lagoon looks like this, and a reticulated lagoon looks like this. Anyway, we're happy that the sun's out. It's just a stunning, beautiful, beautiful. We have all these channels that go into the ocean here. We're gonna go explore a bit and check them out. Nicola, what are you doing out here?
It's a good day for fishing.
Good day for fishing.
It's a good day for fishing.
Where are you from, young lady?
I'm from deep south.
The deep south.
Oh, deep south. I got my side pack.
Side pack. What's in your side pack?
Hand line in case of emergency. I got some tuck marinated.
That's crackers.
Crackers. Got some live bait down the side.
It's a pretty nice little fishing spot you got here.
Very nice spot.
Mataiva's inner lagoon was like nothing I had ever seen before. Decaying coral structures have created dozens of emerald green pools, giving the lagoon a uniquely patterned appearance. So Nicola's got a fish she caught. She's gonna give it to the octopus. We're at the eastern end of the lagoon. Perfect water, perfect little channels that lead out into the ocean. And it's just really beautiful. Perfect sunny day.
God!
And Nicola just stood on something that was alive.
such an amazing time exploring those incredible channels on the first day that we wanted to visit the exact same spot on day 2. But this time, instead of driving a truck, we had some locals deliver us across that beautiful lagoon on one of their boats. We're going back to the channels again, visit our octopus friend and Bobby's dream channels, maybe see Ray and Eel. A little windy, but we're going to be sheltered on that side, so that's perfect. Broadcast was brought to you in part by Hinano beer. Drink it on any motu at any time.
That's right. Delicious.
Got whacked.
We pitched ourselves a ride.
This is the 3rd day in a row we keep going back to the same beautiful spot. I like to call it the dream channels because it's so beautiful that we don't want to go anywhere else. And our little bungalows where we're staying at didn't have a driver to take us today.
Because he was doing copra.
Because he was doing coconut processing, copra today. So we had to scramble this morning to try and find someone who could drive us. It's a 45-minute drive through this dirt road basically. But we found someone straight away. We made friends with a person at the little market. They knew someone who had a truck. So we're in the truck. Le voiture ici. And we're going to the channels. It's our last day, unfortunately, but the weather here has been so amazing. We're just happy to be back.
To see our octopus and
to see our
Ray.
octopus and our stingrays and our shark friends and our poisson friends.
I lost all the hooks and we needed a way to catch fish.
And I think Nicola watched one too many BBC series and she knew that you could stun the fish by whacking them with a rod. That's what we've been doing and it's incredibly successful for bait fish.